Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Amanda and today I am going through my first Stitch Fix box. So I decided to try Stitch Fix because I have some coworkers who use it and say they really liked it, so I want to give it a shot. I had one of my coworkers refer me so that my styling fee could get waived for my first box, and the styling fee I believe it's $20. I kind of wanted to see how this first box went because I was taking some time away from LETOTE, so wanted to see what items they sent me. Since it's my first time doing a Stitch Fix box, I'll let you know some details about how Stitch Fix works, but if you want to fast forward to the unboxing part, I'll leave the timestamp down in the description box below. So how does Stitch Fix work? It's not really a subscription service like other boxes are. You can kind of determine when you want your boxes, like it can be monthly or whatever, but you can also just kind of schedule it ad hoc, so you can schedule a box whenever you need it, which is kind of nice. I like that flexibility. So they send you 5 items to try on and you get 3 days to try them on and send back what you don't like. You get to rate the items that you were sent so that your stylist knows what your preferences are and what your likes and dislikes are. You also get to send back what you don't want. If you do end up keeping everything, you get a 25% discount off the whole purchase. They also include like a little style card, and if you refer a friend, you get $25 in credit and they get their styling fee waived as well. You get this card that tells you the items that they've included in your box and how you might want to style them, which is nice, and it's perforated so you can rip these out and kind of keep them if you like. And then there's a personalized message from your stylist. And then there's also a price list as well as to how much each item costs. They also, of course, include a USPS bag for all the items that you want to send back. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get into the unboxing. So they wrap things up pretty nicely. This is what the inside of the box looks like, obviously after I've gone through it, but it's really cute and pretty. Let's start off with the clothing items. First off, I got a pair of Viga's Erica Distressed skinny jeans, and I don't even know if I'm pronouncing this brand right because I don't think I've heard of it, but it is the Jagger Classic Fit Skinny in a size 24, and it's distressed. So this is what they look like. It's not a bad style. I just feel like, number one, the 24 is too tight for me, and I thought I said I was a 25 in my style preferences, but maybe that came out wrong. Or maybe these weren't big, but in the end these do not fit me. These are a 24 waist and 29 length. The length was also a bit long. I think ideally I'm like a 27 to 28 length. They're also pretty distressed around the knee area, and like this side, this was just like too much distressing for me. Just for my personal preference, I actually like this side as like the most distressed, but like my knee was like popping out and it was just like a little too much. This is the back. It's a pretty plain back. These are $68, which is not bad for a pair of jeans, but yeah, because the waist doesn't fit and they're too long, I'm gonna return them. The next top is this Cloth and Stone Moline fringe detail textured top. So basically it kind of has like a V neckline right here, and it has some fringe strings that come down. I don't know if you tie it at the top or not. And then it's striped with like light blue and I think gray or black. That's kind of what the texture is like. And it's also got fringe detail over in the chest area. And then it's also long sleeve, kind of like a blouse sleeve. I just don't think this is something that I would wear. It's not really my style. I'm not a fan of fringe, honestly. And it's really long. It's just too long for me, and I'm just not a fan of the style. It's not really me. And this is in a size extra, extra small. I've never heard of this brand, but it says it's created in LA. This costs $88, which is even more ridiculous because, yeah, I was like, oh, maybe I'll be adventurous, then I could potentially keep it, but it's so expensive. expensive for me. In your preferences, you can kind of say how much you'd like to spend on clothes, and I basically said as little as possible for everything. So $88 is a little on the high end for tops. Actually, a lot on the high end for tops. Next up, we have this Pale Sky twin keyhole crochet top, and this is in the size Petite extra small. So I was really excited because it said it was Petite extra small, but it's still like maybe even longer than the last top. Like it comes down to my crotch area, and it's just, that's just kind of long for me. It would definitely need to be tucked into pants. But yeah, it's got a lot of crochet and lace detail at the front and a floral detail, and then on the back it has more crochet detail like all along the back. It's like kind of more of a cotton or linen material on the back, and then the front is more of like a sheer material. And it honestly, like, I'm not a fan of this floral, this color. Like I'm not an orange person, and this pattern just doesn't make me want to wear orange ever. Like it just looks like old-fashioned in my opinion. I don't know, it just reminds me of like the 80s. And I'm not a fan of crochet as well, so this is a hard no. And this one is $64, which is pretty pricey in my opinion. In my preferences, I also asked for basic tops, like very basic tops, and these are not basic in my mind. The next item is actually closer to my style, but unfortunately I don't think I'm keeping it either. This is a 41 Hawthorne Lena long sleeve knit cardigan. It's very long, also very thin, and it kind of drapes at the front, so it's actually longer on the front than it is in the back, just to give that draped look. It's just very thin. I already have a black cardigan that's chunky, but I also just didn't like how far down this cardigan draped in the front. It drapes to almost my knee, and so I just feel like it's not lengthening my body. It's like kind of bringing it down. And then also the sleeves are very loose on me because my arms are very small, so I just like a more fitted look. So I'm not going to be keeping this. This is a petite extra small as well, and this is $58. The last item is a piece of jewelry, and I was really excited because I saw it in this picture and I thought they were hoops, like basic hoops, which is actually what I've been really wanting, are like a pair of basic hoops. And then I opened the box and they're not hoops. This is what, oh shoot. So this is what I got. These are Stella and Ruby Lena linear threader earrings, and they're just very long earrings, kind of curved. If I have my hair up like it is now, they would be nice. They're just very like statement-y, and I can't wear them on an everyday basis. So I don't know, I'm just really into like basics right now, and like being able to wear things on an everyday occasion, because I just don't dress up a whole lot to wear jewelry like this enough. So I'm gonna have to pass on these. I was kind of bummed. These are nice earrings. They are rose gold. But yeah, they're very pretty. I just don't think I would wear them enough. But these are only $28, which is not bad. So these were the items in my first Stitch Fix box. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked any of these particular items, or if you've tried Stitch Fix, and let me know what you think about it. I'm considering whether I want to try it again. I hope this video helped you. If you are interested in trying Stitch Fix, I will leave my referral link down in the description box below, so you can get your styling fee waived on your first box, so you could try it out. It obviously doesn't cost anything if you end up returning everything like I am, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, or any videos about my real life tips and advice or personal finance, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a like if it helped you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.